Welcome students. Today I am going to continue my topic of 10th class. The chapter is area related to the circles. From this chapter today I am going to solve few problem sums depending upon area of the sector or area of a minor or major segment. To start off directly I am going to solve the very first question. Question is find the area of the sector, but before starting I hope you have gone through the lecture number 1 of this very chapter. It contains formulas which will be used in this chapter, right? If you haven't gone, then just revise it, just listen to the video, just watch the video, learn the formulas properly. Now question number 1 of today's lecture. First is find the area of the sector of a circle. Find area of circle. Find the area of the sector of circle of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Radius is 6 centimeter. If the angle of the sector is 60 degree, that means the central angle theta is 60 degree. This is given to us. Now find the area of the sector of a circle. Radius of the circle is 6 centimeter and the central angle theta equals to 60 degree. Let me draw the figure. This is a circle and this is the center O. This is A, this is B. The radius is 6 centimeters, right? I need this area. Now theta, this is theta. This theta is equal to 60 degrees. This is given to us. The radius is 6 centimeter. This is the radius, that is 6 centimeter. This is given to us. Now I need its area. Now hope you remember the formula. Area of the sector. Area of sector equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, right? This area of the sector, this area of the sector. Now theta is given to us as 60 degree upon 360. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 6 centimeter square, that is 36. Now 1 by 6 equals into 22 by 7 into 36. This goes on 6. It's 6 to 12. 6 to 12, 132 by 7 centimeter square is the area of this sector where the central angle theta is equal to 60 degree. The radius of the circle was 6 centimeter. Therefore, we find area of sector using this formula, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Just fill the values to get the answer. Since we are finding area, it will be centimeter square. Now, the second question of today's lecture is from this very topic, that is area of the segment, or it can be area of major segment, minor segment, it can be area of major or minor sector, right? Now question number 2. Question is the chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. The chord of circle. These terminologies have already been explained in lecture number 1. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. 15 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center, that is central angle is 60 degrees. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments. I need areas of minor and major segments. Major segments of the circle. This is question number 2 of today's lecture, right? Now let me draw the figure. The chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. This is the figure now. The chord, let the chord be AB. A B. Then this is the center O. Let me join this OA and OB. Now the radius is 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. Right? Now theta is 60 degree. The central angle theta is 60 degrees. Now what we are to find? We are to find area of the minor segment. This is minor segment. Minor segment. And area of the major segment. This is minor segment. Now first of all, let us calculate area of the minor sector. This sector. What I will do? Area of the minor sector, calculate it, then subtract area of the triangle OAB. But now what to do? Just find first area of sector. Area of sector OA, let this be PB. This point be P. OAPB. OAPB. Area of this whole sector. OAPBO. Complete this. Right? So it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. I will use the same formula which I used in the previous sum. Now theta is what? 60 degrees. 360 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 15. 15 square is 225. This goes on 1 by 6. 22 by 7 into 225. This is 311. Just multiply this. I get it cancels. 3 7s are 21, 1 5. 3 5s are 15. So 11 5s are 55, 11 7, 77 plus 5, 82. Divided by 7 centimeters square is area of this sector. Now what I need is, I need area of the triangle OAB to find the area of minor segment. Now how to find area of this? Now what I will do is, I will draw up a perpendicular OM, perpendicular to the chord AB. Now draw OM perpendicular to the chord AB. Now what happens? OA and OB are the radii of the circle. Then OM is common. This angle is 90 degree by construction. I will prove these two triangles, say OMA and OMB, congruent. Now from triangles OMA and OMB, OM equals to OM, it's common, it is common. OA equals to OB, OA equals to OB is equal to 15 centimeter, radii of the circle, radii of the circle, and angle OMA, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB, OMB, each is 90 degree by construction. So RHS case, RHS criteria of congruence, the triangles OMA is congruent to triangle OMB are proved using right RHS congruence criteria to prove that both the triangles are congruent. Now if the triangles are congruent, that means the total was 60 degree, this becomes 30, this becomes 30 degree by CPCT, right? I will write, which means that angle AOM equals to BOM equals to 30 degree each, right? Total was 60 degree, this angle is 30, this angle is 30. Now I need to find the base, I need to find the height of this triangle. Now for this I will use trigonometric ratios. Now let me draw this. I will draw this triangle. Look. This is OM. I am representing this triangle OMA. OMA over here. This angle is 30 degree. This is given to me as 15. Right? Now, as told to you, as you must have gone through the trigonometric portion of this chapter, that is, angle is 30. Opposite to the angle, it's always the perpendicular. This becomes the base. This is the hypotenuse. Now I will apply. I need OM. Base upon hypotenuse is cos of 30 degrees. Cos 30 degree is under root 3 by 2. So I get OM equals to 15 under root 3 upon 2 centimeters. What I get? I get the height of the triangle. Right? Now I need AM. How to calculate this AM? Again, this is the perpendicular, that is AM upon hypotenuse OA is equal to sine of 30 degrees. Sine 30 is half. Hope you remember these values, trigonometric values of the angles, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. These will be used over here. Now AM is OA is 15, it becomes 15 by 2 centimeters. This means AM is equal to 15 by 2. Now, I have area of the sector as, I will just write the numeric value over here, what I calculated, so that space is there to write, solve it further. 825 by 7 centimeters square. Now, I have the value of OM as 15 under root 3 by 2 centimeter, right? And value of AM as 15 by 2 centimeter. Value of AM as 15 by 2 centimeters, right? Hope you have understood this criteria of congruence. We proved the two triangles to be congruent by CPCT, right? The angles, this angle AOM and BOM, they were equal to 30 degree. We applied the trigonometric ratios to find OM and AM. Now, both the triangles are congruent, so AM must be equal to MB. Therefore, AB is twice of AM. That is 2 times 15 by 2. It goes 15 centimeters. Right? Now, area of triangle triangle is OAB. Let me write the name. This is half into base into the height OM. This is half, base is AB, 15 multiplied by OM. OM is 15 under root 3 by 2. It becomes 225 under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. This is area of the triangle and this is area of the sector. Now I need area of the minor segment. How it will come? This is your first, this is your second area. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. This is equal to, I have this area of the sector 825 by 7 minus 225 under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. This is area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. I had area of the sector as 825 by 7 centimeter square. I had area of the triangle as 225 under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Just subtract Second, from first you get area of the minor segment. This area of the minor segment. Next is very easy. I need area of the major sector. Area of the major segment. It's easy. That is area of the triangle, area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Let me draw it. Now, its major segment, area of the major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now, this was the circle. I calculated this area. This was minor segment. This was minor segment. I need area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. This is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now area of the circle will be pi radius here. Radius is how much? 15. 15 square is 225 minus area of the minor segment is this. That is 825 by 7 minus of 225 under root 3 by 4 centimeter square is the answer. This is area of the major segment. This is the way how we find area of the corresponding segments, that is minor segment as well as major segment. Now again I will repeat the thing. I wanted to calculate minor segment first. I calculated area of the sector using the formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. The radius was given to me as 15, right? It came to be 825 by 7. Then I calculated the area of this triangle, but before calculating area of this triangle, what I did, keep OM drawn perpendicular to the chord AB. Then I proved these two triangles OMA and OMB congruent, right? Which means AM is half of AB, or we can say AB is twice of AM. And these two angles, this angle AOM and BOM, they are equal. That is 30 degree. Then use trigonometric ratios to calculate AM and OM. Once you get AM, I have AB is twice of AM. I calculated AB then. I have the height, I have the base, then area of the triangle is half base into height. Calculated it comes out to be 225 under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Now I needed area of the minor segment, that is area of the sector minus area of triangle OAB. I get this value. This was area of the minor segment. I also need area of the major segment. Okay, that is area of the circle, full circle, minus area of this minor segment. So area of the circle is pi r square. Radius given is 15 centimeter. That comes out to be 225 pi minus this. That is area of the minor segment. I get the answer required in centimeter squares. Hope you have understood this concept, right? It should be very clear to you because it's a very important sum. It's a very important question. You should remember the formulas: area of the sector, minor sector, area of the major sector, then area of the minor segment, how to find it, the way to find area of the minor segment, how you can find area of the major segment. Area of major segment is easy. That is area of circle minus area of the minor segment. You will get area of major segment. Now, another very important question which generally comes in your exam is this. Question number 3. The minute hand of a clock is 10 centimeter long. The minute hand of a clock is 10 centimeter long. Find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand. Area of face of the clock described by the minute hand, described by the minute hand between, time given is 9 a.m. to 9:35 a.m. Right? Now, the basic concept you have to keep in mind is total time is 9 a.m. to 9:35, that is 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Now you must remember this concept कि the minute hands angle described by the minute hand in 1 hour. Angle described by the minute hand in 1 hour is what? 360 degrees, right? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Now, the angle described in 1 minute is 360 divided by 60, that is 6 degrees. Now, angle described by the minute hand in 35 minutes is 6 multiplied by 35. That comes out to be 6, 3, 18 and 3, 210 degrees. Now it's very, very simple sum. Just use area of the sector, area of the face described by, now look here, it will be like this. The minute hand was this, then it was somewhere 135, this, 35. So I need the area swept by the minute hand, this area. This area. This was say 12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is 35 minutes. Theta is this. Now theta is equal to, I have calculated as 210 degrees. This is theta. So minute hand radius is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Now I need to find the area swept by the minute hand. Theta is given to you as I have calculated as, theta is this, 210 degrees. Now theta upon, let me write area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Theta is 210 upon 360 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 36. This goes at 10, right? 0 with 0 cancels. Rest is 21 into 22 by 7 centimeters square is the area which is swept or described by the minute hand in how many minutes? 35 minutes. This is the way we calculate this. Now explain it again. Angle described by the minute hand. Remember this thumb rule. Angle described by the minute hand in 1 hour is 360 degrees. 1 hour means 60 minutes. I need angle described by the minute hand in 35 minutes. Just calculated 210. This becomes this angle theta. Now theta upon 360, I need area. Area of a sector I will use theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is 210 by 360. Pi value is 22 by 7 into 36. Just find the area, that is 21 multiplied by 22 by 7 centimeter square, right? The radius was, it was 10 centimeters, sorry, it was not 6. Let me correct it. Let me correct this. Theta is 210 divided by 360 into pi. Radius is 10 centimeters. That comes out to be 100. Now 0 with 0 cancels. Now 36, it is 18 and 11. Just calculate this value, 370, right? Then it is 7700 divided by 42 centimeters square. This can be cancelled on 7, 7 6, 7 11. 1100 by 6 centimeters square is the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. The radius was 10, it was corrected. 10 square is 100, so calculate this value. Thus you get area swept by minute hand in 35 minutes. This was another very important sum. Now, the fourth portion of today's lecture is again a very good question. I am again saying you that please go through the formulas, remember them, right? Write them again and again, understand the concept. Once you are able to draw the figure of this question, then it will be only application of formulas, appropriate formula, where to apply this formula, it will be done. Now, question number 4. Question is, 3 equal circles of radii 6 centimeter. 3 equal circles of radii 6 centimeter, they touch one another. Touch one another. Right? Now find the area enclosed between them. Find the area enclosed between them. Now, I will draw the figure first. This is one circle. This is the second circle. And this is the third circle. Like this. Let me draw it again. Like this. Now it's good. Yes. There are 3 circles, each of radii 6 centimeter. Let this be A, let this be B, the center, this is C. Now this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. Let me join this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, right? I need area of the shaded portion, this portion, area enclosed between these 3 circles. Question was 3 equal circles, each of radii 6 centimeter, they touch one another. Find the area enclosed between them. Enclosed between them. I need area of this portion. Area of this portion, shaded region. Right? Now, touch one another. Now, one more thing is given. 3 equal circles, each of radii 6 centimeter, touch one another. Find area of the area enclosed between them. Now, one thing is sure. AB equals to BC equals to CA. Each is what? 12 centimeter. Now, if all the sides are equal, then ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Right? If ABC is equilateral triangle, then each angle will be 60 degrees each. This is 60 degrees. Right? Now how to calculate area of the shaded region? This enclosed area. Just find area of triangle ABC. It's an equilateral triangle. The formula to find is under root 3 by 4 times its side square. That is under root 3 by 4. What is the side? That is 12. It's 12 square. This becomes under root 3 by 4 into 144. Right? This cancels out, that is 4, 3, 12 and 2, 4. This. It's 36 under root 3 centimeter square is the area of this triangle ABC. Now let me calculate area of one sector. One sector area of, there are three sectors, 1, 2, 3. Area of one sector. Area of one sector. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is, theta is 60 degrees upon 360 into 22 by 7. Radius is 6. 6 square is 36. Now this goes, it cancels on 6. It cancels on 6. 6 to 12. 132 by 7 centimeter square is area of one sector. How many sectors are there? First, second and the third one. So I will multiply this with 3. So area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors is 3 multiplied by 132 by 7. That is 693 by 7 centimeter square. This is area of 3 sectors. Let this be number 2. This is your number 1. I need area of the enclosed region. It's very simple. Area of the triangle minus area of the 3 sectors will give you area of the enclosed region between them, right? So area of enclosed region, that is, I have shaded one, is first minus second. First was 36 under root 3 minus of 132 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the required enclosed region. Now what we did, we calculated area of the triangle using under root 3 by 4 into radius into side square. But since AB was equal to BC was equal to CA, it became an equilateral triangle. Then we calculated area of one sector, came out to be this. Area of 3 sectors, I have 3 sectors, multiply by 3, I get 396 by 7. Now area of this shaded region is first minus second, just subtract and get the values of area of the enclosed region. This is the end of my second lecture, in which we calculated area of major segment, minor segment, how to calculate area of the sector and so on. And this question I did, in which area of equilateral triangle was also calculated, then subtracted area of 3 sectors and find the area of enclosed region. In the next topic, in the next lecture, I will tell you about how to find the area of the shaded regions when two different kind of, say, figures, say circle and a square is there, area of sector, area of triangle and so on, equilateral triangle and so on. Till then, keep watching my videos, revise the topics, solve as many sums as you can. Thank you very much. Take care.